Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to find my iPhone not working on iPhone in iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method number 1. Turn off and on Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Method number 2. Turn on location services. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on privacy and security. On the privacy page, tap on location services. Turn on location services. Method number 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Method number 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset, tap reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.